How to repressurize a heating system. The gas boiler we've got here is a Reconnect Unica HE, and it's got the flexible pipe that needs reconnecting. So all we need to do is reconnect the flexible pipe, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put some more pressure into the boiler. You need to make sure that these connections are fully on, otherwise when you try and put the water in, you'll end up with water all over. So just be careful with this and make sure that you've got the flexible pipe fully connected. On this Reconnect boiler, the cold water is over to the right hand side, so we just need to turn this tap, and on the Reconnect boiler we turn it fully down, and once we've turned it fully down we can see it says filling loop on the handle. And then if we go over to the central heating side, we can see we've also got a little tap on there, and it shows you, it's got an arrow on it, shows you which way to turn. And then if we have a look on the pressure gauge, as we open them up we can see the pressure is now going up. And what we're trying to do, we want this to be about 1 bar depending on the boiler. Some boilers need more to activate the pressure switch inside, so you might need to read your installation instructions, but ideally we want it to be about 1 bar. And then we need to shut these back off. So once you've got it up to the pressure, shut your taps back off underneath, and then you need to remove that filling pipe again. So again, on this Reconnect we've turned it back fully up, and that means the boiler will now work again for the hot water side, otherwise you wouldn't get any water coming out of the tap. And then now we're just going to disconnect the flexible pipe off. If you're finding that you need to do this quite often, then there may be other issues, and I'll add a link below in the description to another video that I've done about pressure and too much pressure, and if you have a look at that video it'll tell you a bit more. But we're just going to remove this pipe now. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope it's helped you to get your boiler working again. I have done some detailed videos for different brands of boiler. So if you've got a Baxi boiler and you've got an E119, I've done videos for that, and I'll add a link below for that. I've also got your Ideal Logics. If you've got a fault on your Ideal Logic, which is low water pressure, again I'll try and add some links to all the different low water pressure videos that I've done, and I'll try and add them below in the comments. If you've got any questions, if you ask them in this video, and please remember, if say for instance you've removed a radiator and the boiler's not working and you need to top it up, then great, this is what this video is for. But if your pressure is going down quite a lot, you know, like more than say once every 10 months or so, then you may have an issue with the system or the boiler. So it may mean that you've got a leaking radiator, or it may mean that you've got an issue inside the boiler. So in that case it would be a very good idea to have the boiler serviced and checked, and ask the installer that comes, or the gas engineer, to give you some more information on what could be the problem. Sometimes you can have heat exchangers that are leaking inside. There's all sorts of different things. So this is just a quick and easy way to top it up. But as I say, if you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching.